It's raining outside, but we are inside now.
Yep.
And we're excited to get to Amsterdam. The flight doesn't leave until 10:30. So
yeah, we're 3 hours early, so we should be good to go. Just got through security.
We just got through security.
No bombs in here. We did good.
Why is it every time we come to the airport you say that? What you doing, Courtney? Check out the new car. Say good morning, Courtney. It's very early and we're very tired. We barely slept at all last night. But we just got some breakfast and we're gonna
Water.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Getting some Belgian waffles.
Getting some snacks.
Getting some snacks.
Say no more. Carl, did you get your coffee?
I'm gonna take my contacts out when I get on the plane. I just need a break and I'll sleep better with my contacts off.
Are you tired?
Yeah, I'm a little bit tired. I fell asleep a couple times. I fell asleep on the bus standing up, coming back from the Tulip Festival a couple times. I almost just hit the floor of the bus. So
Falling asleep in Starbucks right now.
I don't know why I can't stay awake. I've had multiple cups of coffee. It does nothing. If anything, coffee just puts me to sleep nowadays.
Nowadays.